Skincare junkies, it is time to unite. I have quite a bit to share with you. I'm going to start off with the products that I purchased, and then I'll move on to the items that were given to me in PR. So you can, if you don't care to watch that, you can go ahead and click out. But when I come on to do a skincare video, I always want to show my skin, just how it looks now at this moment in time. Snapshot. Very happy with it, and that way you as well, the viewer, can see what I look like with nothing on, which no, I don't mind showing. There is a new cleanser on the market. I discovered the CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. States for normal to dry skin. Let me tell you about this. It has blown me away. I already ordered a full size one, and I'm just going to keep this and just pour it inside of here. This cleanser, it will start off like a cream, just like the La Roche-Posay Hydrating Cream Cleanser, and then it starts to foam. It's not drying on the skin at all. I use it still with my Clarisonic brush. I use it in the morning sometimes with the scrub pad, and I mean, it is good. Every stitch of makeup will come off if you use it at night. It's incredible. Incredible. And the best thing is, right after my face is clean, I can kind of go about my business. My skin is not feeling tight. It's not feeling dry. It is really good. I finished all my facial oils, all my cures, everything that was backup. No more oil. This is the only one left to use, the Korres Wild Rose Brightening Vitamin C Oil. And I actually used to use this. We're talking way back in the day. I think it was like late 20s, early 30s. For some reason that popped in my mind. But this rose oil, first off, a little goes a long way. Don't use a full pump. Any other skin type, but very dehydrated, do not use a full pump. It is intense. But the texture is very thin. And I just press it into the skin and it just feels so yummy. It is hydration city. Okay. And I feel that with the properties of the vitamin C, that is helping with the overall antioxidant protection. I like to use it at night. That's just me as far as to repair the skin. But it is an extremely light facial oil that is giving the hydration that I'm looking for. This one from Farmacy, the Very Cherry Bright. You know what? I did not buy this one. My friend gave this to me because it's too much for her skin. I will be buying it, let me tell you, next month in November, because I already only have about like that much left. Farmacy Very Cherry Bright, 15% clean vitamin C serum. This little baby. When I looked it up on Sephora, it has 5 types of vitamin C, 5 types of hyaluronic acid. I was like, it states it's a potent 15% vitamin C brightening serum. I like it when it is talking about the actual percentage. I will be buying that. I will be buying that again and really want to spend a couple months seeing just how my skin is reacting to it. And then last is from Vichy. Now this is up, like the next product up in my hyaluronic acid like serums that I have backups of. This is Vichy's, supposedly the purest form of their version of hyaluronic acid. So it comes in this, I really consider this medical grade type of a bottle here. And I like this dispenser because when you're ready to disperse it into your hand, you just squeeze and it just starts to come out, so you can control how much you get into it. The texture of it is a little bit thicker than what I would prefer. However, I have had zero skin irritation, zero scent to this. So it is fragrance free. So, I mean, it's been doing its purpose, put it that way. However, it's not something that I'm going to pick up again. I feel when I'm looking at, let's say, I could have all these hyaluronic acid type products, and I'm thinking, okay, fragrance free, okay. but Trader Joe's only has like a few ingredients, and that's a pure version too, you know, and clean. So I'm going to go that route. And then I have my liquid gold, 5 types that I've been using forever, and I'm going to go that route. So I have to, you know, kind of pick it apart in that way and think which ones really do I truly want to have. So now I'm almost done with it, and then it's gone. I've tried it. I've used it. There's my little mini review. But again, it's not something that I plan on picking up. Fresh Beauty is next. I kid you not, the black tea line that's in front of me. This is what was on my saved for later on my Ulta app. Now, Ulta, you can now finally get fresh. I nearly fainted when they made that announcement. Drunk Elephant is there. I finally have all this stuff now to use my points for. I'm so excited. So yes, we'll be repurchasing these myself and replenishing. The black tea instant perfecting mask. I do a mask every night. Every single night. I just change the type of mask. Didn't put a lot on. It does state leave it on for like, you know, 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. I left it on for a good 30 minutes, okay? And I noticed that when I first put it on, my skin felt like it was tingling. Didn't think really anything was bad, but I just felt that. And then I did it again later that week, and then I didn't feel anything. So maybe my skin was like, I don't know, something different. But what I adore about this black tea formula is it's like the antioxidant of the black tea kabachi essence, which I cannot live without. That is just, always have to have it. This blend of this cocktail is the hydration with the antioxidant. It's like, what do you want? Radiance, but then I'm going to give you major dose of hydration. That's what I like about Fresh. It doesn't dry out the skin. I'm going to give you all this anti-aging protection, but I'm going to still hydrate your skin, soften it at the same time. And my skin was incredibly soft with that. So I'm happy that I have it. And yes, it will be something that, you know, once I finish it up, I will replenish. And then the black tea firming overnight mask. So just something to wear, you know, to bed, the sleeping mask, and just giving a higher dose of it because your skin is repairing itself. This is what the bottle looks like. Haven't opened it up yet. It's repairing itself as you sleep. So that is just, you know, giving you a little bit more. And it's a thicker formula as well. Yeah, it should smell the same. So I'm just going to anticipate that the entire line smells almost like, you know, like herb tea. Kind of go like that. A little bit of sun glare today. It's pretty sunny out, but hopefully you were able to see that. Then for the eyes is the black tea firming eye serum. It says it strengthens and illuminates. This is what the bottle looks like, and it has a little cap here. This is a very, very thin serum, which is what I like. See-through, and then that's what it looks like under the eyes. Yeah, still smells like that herb. Very, very, very faint, though. It's not strong. I am the extra person for the eyes where I like to put the serum on, and then I go off and I go do stuff, and then I come back, and then I will put on the eye cream. I've been using this. This is probably maybe the second week, maybe third, I'm not sure. It was whenever it came. I just used it, started using it that night, and no irritation, no burning, no skin sensitivity. Again, very light, and I just, you know, go like that, tap it on, and then I actually am already using an eye cream, which I just finished. It's so satisfying to finish that eye cream. And then the matching eye cream. So the black tea, show you the box first, age delay. There we go. With the fruit juice, firms, and illuminates. So again, just in conjunction. Eye cream is not a product that I have like multiples of. I noticed that. So usually when something is coming in, yeah, it smells like the herb tea. Very faint. Again, I can just move on and start immediately using that. So I'll be able to crack into that one soon. Last products that were sent to me. It's from a brand that I've publicly said I don't understand why the products are expensive. I have not been introduced to them. I have not used them before. So again, you need to tell me your experiences down in the comments. But they did send me quite a bit to try. I will try it all, and I was giving my honest review. I don't care if it's sent to me or not. But Elemis, I was surprised to get these, but thank you. You never really know who's watching your videos, so maybe they're like, you talk crap about us, we're gonna send you some stuff. We're gonna see if you try it and like it or not. First up is an eye and lip makeup remover. I didn't know they even had any of this. I mean, again, I paid no attention to Elemis. And this is the bottle, so it is the biphase one that they call it. You shake it up and use it. I will be getting a lot of pleasure of seeing all the little bubbles. I love stuff like that. Okay, I just do the oil and the water and see how that works. Next is the Pro-Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. It's the Skin Energizing Cleanser. It states it has trio acids, minerals, energized skin. It's a gel cleanser. I'll just go ahead and show the box and talk at the same time. It has hydrating. Now, I don't know any of this. Maybe it's just their proprietary blend. Padima Pavanoka is supposed to hydrate. Minerals, anti-aging trio of acids. Feeling good and looking beautifully revived. So, the cleanser. Nice bottle. Beautiful. Okay, this isn't coming up on the camera as good. This has that beautiful teal blue color that, see, I was like, go back so you can see it now, but kind of up close it looks bluer. Oh, I love this color. Can't really smell anything, but it's a pump. Okay, next is the Dynamic Surfacing Facial Pads. This looks like an active toner, or that's just my interpretation of it. Just quickly glancing at the ingredients here. So this will be used if you wanted to use like an exfoliating product, but also have a toner at the same time. Directions state, obviously, smooth pad over the face in the morning and evening, so you can use it twice a day, which is interesting because usually I would think this would be once a day. Avoid UV exposure while using this. So I would not use this during the day if it clearly states that avoid the sun. But then it says morning and night. Nope. I would only use this at night, which I'm not really used to using a facial pad at night. So if I'm not going anywhere and I wanted to use this, so I'm going to be in the home, then I would try this out. That one's a little bit confusing. It's not confusing to me, but I can see it confusing to other people, like, that maybe don't like to read instructions. This orange box is the Glow Priming Moisturizer. Kabacha Glow Moisturizer. Oh, okay. You got me at that. You got me at that ingredient. And it's got ginger and probiotic. Brightening, nourishes, and hydrating. It's a priming moisturizer that leaves skin with a dewy, hydrated glow. I'm a dew witch. You know you got me when you say dewy, hydration, and a glow. So you got that little blush bottle here. So I would just also think this would just be a skincare product, or you can use it before you put on your makeup. I really can't smell anything, so I will be trying that. Guess what product I plan on using first? Oh, don't stay away, don't stay away, go stay away. Okay, then the Elemis Superfood Facial Oil, Nourishing Face Oil. Oh, God, I have another facial oil now. Swimming in oil, okay? Nourishes, hydrates, smooths broccoli, linseed, and a certain type of radish I've never heard of. Dakan. I don't really eat radishes, but broccoli I love. Okay, plant-based superfood, nourish and hydrating. Okay, this sounds interesting to me. This sounds interesting. I need the box open. Here, hydrate, antioxidant, omega You got me at the Superfood. Of course, it's green. So this is what it looks like. It's a cute little bottle design there. Okay, let's give it a little smell. Ooh. You know, I envisioned the first day I actually had that like grass shake. Hopefully that does not come as strong on the skin scent-wise as it just did right now. Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. This I've seen, the Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. This I could have sworn was in Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. I think for spring, that's probably when I was saying, why is this so expensive, even half off? So, same pot design. Usually those thicker creams. Let me see, are you going to blow me away with the smell? Let's see, what you got? Oh, I can barely get that up. Okay, I can see some of the cream right at the top. Kind of has like an ocean smell, and it's like a thinner texture. Reduce the appearance of wrinkles in 14 days, clinically proven. Okay, that's some pretty bold claims. Prove hydration and leave the skin feeling firmer and looking more radiant. But I do like the texture and the ingredients too. I don't see any coconut, but I do see shea butter on here. And fragrance is above that. Perfume. It smelled very faint, but I'm not sure. This is going to have to be something I'm going to do a patch test on first because of the shea butter, even though it could be further down. I just do not know. And then the matching eye cream, Pro-Collagen, fine lines, tired looking eyes, watermelon, snow algae, blah, bush, blah, 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 all these ingredients, brightens, rejuvenates, and hydrates. That's the box right there. The first products I really am interested to try because I know I can try them and really see if they accurately can do its job will be the makeup removing product, the cleanser, and even the facial pads. This is something that I can quickly be using to see, you know, in a few days, pretty much how I like about it. Oh, there's a spider coming down the window. Again, eye cream, that's what it looks like. Okay. And a slight smell. Yeah, it kind of smells like the cream too. So hopefully it has the same texture. And then the eye cream, in the fridge. So I just can't use it yet. I don't want to have a million products out at once. I can't stress enough. Please leave your experiences down. It does help me out a lot because I can kind of also gauge and see if we're going to have similar experiences. Although, you know, we're all different. Well, our skins are different, but it really does help me. I kind of like to have that in my mind as I start using some products. And then if I can remember to leave a pinned comment when I start using some of these faster products, I'll let you know what my experience is. Thank you all for stopping by and watching. As always, it's greatly appreciated. Have a wonderful day, wonderful evening, and I will see you hopefully very soon in the next video. Take care. Bye.